Welcome back to our vlog. Today we will be shooting with Canon 4000D with our kit lens, and today I'll show you guys how to make a background blurry image with 1855 kit lens. Today we won't be using any prime lens. We will be using kit lens, and I'll show you how to blur the background. First we need to put in AV mode, which is aperture priority, and we will have to change to the minimum focal length, which is 4.5 at the moment. But also we need to take care about we should use 55 mm, the most zoom, and in 18 mm we won't get a very blurry background. So in order to get blurry background we need to use 55 mm, and let's see. And also the background needs to be very far in order to get a blurry background. If the background is too close, then we won't get a blurry background. So I'll shoot with the very near background. Now let's try with a very far background. And also let's try with the 18 mm lens. In 18 mm, but in 55 mm the background is far more blur. Why beginners will struggle taking a very background blur image? There are mainly basically four things that you need to take care about. First, we have to stand very close to the subject, and the second is the background has to be very far away from the subject. The third thing is we need to put the aperture in the very lowest point, that is f5.6, and the fourth thing is that you need to use most zoom of your kit lens, which is at the moment we have 55 mm.